Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given a scatter plot which shows the data for 10 charities along with the line of best fit. So this is tracking the percent that these charities are spending on their programs out of their total expenses, and it's tracked over their total income. And so we're asked, for the charity with the greatest percent of their total expenses spent on programs, right? So the point with the highest Y value basically, since the Y value is representing this value, which one has the greatest percent, which one has the highest Y value, which of the following is closest to the difference between this actual percent and the percent predicted by the line of best fit. So if we look at our graph, we have these 10 points scattered and then we have the line. And the point with the highest Y value is going to be the furthest up, and it's going to be this point right here. So we have to find the actual percent and the line of best fit percent. So the line of best fit is predicting the point directly underneath it, right? Since we're looking at the same X value, so it's predicting a different Y value. So now we have to find the Y values of these 2 points because we know they have the same X value. And we just go across until we hit the Y axis. And so the actual percentage is halfway between 95 and 90. Let's call it 92.5%. And then the expected percentage is just barely above the 85 line. Let's call it 86%. So what is the difference between the actual percent and the predicted percent? Well, it's 92.5 minus 86, which is 6.5. So there's a 6.5% difference between the actual percent and the percent predicted. So which of this is closest? Well, 7% is very close to this. Nothing else is, so B is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.